Tom Weidig.
Dear colleagues, why are there no horses on the streets of Budapest today? Because a better technology, the combustion engine, came along. It completely transformed our mobility, but not because horses got outlawed or because the government gave massive subsidies to cars. Only when the cars confirmed their superiority did industry and governments build the necessary infrastructure. The electric car is still an immature technology. Batteries are large, heavy, and low reach. And I have no idea where all the electricity should come from, especially if you destroy safe nuclear industry and cheap Russian gas is gone for many years. I doubt that when we change to electric cars that CO2 emissions will be reduced, because the oil not spent on cars in Europe is spent in Russia, India, and Africa, and less efficiently as in our modern diesel engines. Don't get me wrong, I love technology, I have a PhD in physics, and I am excited about how Elon Musk and others revolutionized electric cars. But I also worked in venture capital, and I know that pushing an immature technology too hard does far more harm. We politicians should trust in free markets. The industry and entrepreneurs are at the edge of technology and know best what could work. And the consumers, what they need in their life. We politicians do not. Our role is to provide the best possible framework, fair competition in a free market, money for research and universities educating the best engineers. Therefore, we should drop the ban on combustion engine for 2035 and reduce our subsidies. A better technology does not need either. Thank you.
Thank you very much for that contribution.